Just one drop on the stove burner and you never have this problem again. So guys, check this out. Recently I had a lot of trouble because of my stove burners. When I turn it on the heat, look what happened. You can see that the flame is yellowish and very weak. Look at the difference from this other one. Let's compare it. Check this out. This one has a more constant flame and that nice blue color. And that's a sign that your gas is burning wrongly, okay? And it also means that you're wasting your gas. I managed to solve this problem, and now I'm gonna show you how I did it. First, let's remove the stove burner. And here, come on, take a look. Do you see this little hole right there? This is where the gas comes out. And as we use the stove, it accumulates dirt over the days. Then, over time, the gas starts to burn wrongly with that yellowish flame, or it can even get clogged and stop working. And then, what a lot of people do is take that little wire, myself included, I used to do that, and use it to poke it there. Doing so, we're just pushing the dirt downwards. It works for a while, but then we keep using it and the dirt returns. That's why using that little wire, it's not the right way to clean it. If you used to do that, don't do it anymore. Now, I'm gonna show you a very easy tip so you can solve this stove burner's clogging problem by yourself. First, take a lime. Don't use lemon for that, because limes are more acidic, and this is exactly what we need for this tip. And now, just go ahead and cut the lime in half. We won't even need the whole lime for this. Then, take a container and squeeze its juice in. And now, here's the thing. You need to get a syringe. But if you don't have one, you can use a dropper instead, which also works great. So just go ahead and get a small amount of the juice. After this, you need to drip it into the little hole. Just one drop. Carefully here. Okay, done. And now let's leave it there for about 2 minutes, alright? Many people might think of simply squeezing the lime juice directly here, but don't do that, because some fruit residue may end up falling inside and then clog it even more. That's why I recommend using a syringe or a dropper, okay folks? After 2 minutes, now grab a rag and just go ahead and wipe off any excess. And that's it folks, we're done. And if you ask me, why using lime? If you didn't know, lime is such a great natural cleaner and degreaser. So, when we apply just a drop of its juice in, we're actually doing an internal cleaning. As the juice is quite acidic, it melts the dirt and grease. So, let's put it back together so I can show you now. And the result is quite amazing. I didn't believe it myself until I did it at home. Let's turn on the heat, and there you go. You can tell the difference, folks. Now we have a strong flame burning correctly and with a nice blue color. Okay, now the gas is burning properly. Check it out. This is pretty cool and simple to do. So, if you have this problem, don't try to fix it using that wire anymore. Use lime instead, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna solve your problem with gas burning wrongly or even unclogging it if necessary.